So we're going to use the coordinate plane. You've had some practice plotting ordered pairs and getting used to putting designs on coordinate planes. So just a quick review, we have quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. Everything in quadrant 1 is going to be positive. In quadrant 2, the y-axis is going to be positive and the x-axis is going to be negative. In quadrant 3, both axes are going to be negative. And in quadrant 4, you have the x-axis, which is positive, and then the y-axis, which is going to be negative. And then we have the x and y. I'm going to put up here, just so you know. Good. We're going to look at a couple examples. So first we're going to look at translations. So this is only one type of transformation. A transformation is a change in size, shape, orientation, or position of an object. So for translations, the shape can move up or down or left to right. So there's no turns or flips. It's going to stay the same size as well. So for example 1, we're going to look at the square here. I'll use different color pen. Down here it says example 1 is going to be 4 units down. So what you're going to look at, you're going to look at each point of the shape and you're just going to move it 4 units down. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, so there's a bit of overlapping here in the shapes, but that's okay. And then I will just connect it with a straight edge. I'm just using a protractor. I don't have a ruler at home. So you can see for this translation, all that has happened is the square has just moved down. It's still the same shape, and it doesn't change in its rotation or side to side. The second example we're going to look at is the triangle down here. So it says 2 units up and 6 units to the right. So you're going to look at each point and you're going to move it 2 units up and 6 to the right. So we have 1, 2, and then 6 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you can just connect the points. So you can hear for this translation, you can see that the triangle moved up a little bit and then to the right, but the shape stays the same. And there's no rotations or reflections of any kind.